Baseboards are usually chosen last, and that's exactly why they cause problems later. Hi, I'm Will from Bytown Better Bathtubs and Showers. And in this video, we're breaking down the different baseboard options and what homeowners should consider before choosing one. Baseboards might seem like a small detail, but in a bathroom, they do a lot of the heavy lifting. They help protect your walls from moisture, finish the look of the room, and affect how well your renovation holds up over time. That's why we don't treat them as an afterthought. Most homeowners end up choosing between three common baseboard options, and each one comes with real trade-offs. Let's start with wood baseboards. These are often chosen for the classic and high-end look, especially in homes that already feature natural wood finishes. They can also be painted or stained. The trade-off is moisture. Bathrooms are more humid environments, and over time, wood can react to that exposure. It's a premium look, but not always the most forgiving options in wet spaces. Next is vinyl baseboards, which are becoming more popular in bathrooms and for good reason. Vinyl is waterproof, low maintenance, and holds up extremely well near tubs and showers. It's not the most decorative option right out of the box, but it's practical, durable, and a smart choice for busy or high use bathrooms where long term performance matters more than trim detail. Then there's MDF baseboards, which are often chosen because of cost and customization. MDF offers the widest range of profiles and styles, and it's easy to paint and install. The concern here is moisture. MDF doesn't handle water well, so it works best in bathrooms with good ventilation and controlled humidity. It's budget friendly, but it needs the right conditions to last. On balance, baseboards are part of what protects the bathroom walls, and they properly finish off the space. In high moisture areas, material choice affects durability, maintenance, and how the bathroom ages. That's why we address baseboards early in the renovation process, because it prevents last minute compromises and it helps ensure the finishing details match the quality of the rest of the bathroom, not just on day one, but for the years later. Baseboards may not be the most visible part of the bathroom renovation, but choosing the right one helps the entire space perform better over time. So it's a detail worth deciding with purpose, not at the last minute. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more bathroom renovation advice. We'll see you in the next one.